Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here my another topic in this series, that is current electricity chapter, and the topic in this lecture we will cover the temperature dependent formula, types of resistor wire, carbon resistors and numerical. Some numerical will be there. So please stay tuned in the last and we will do some very interesting numerical in this series. Okay, so first of all, temperature dependent formula. We will talk about temperature dependent formula of resistance and resistivity. So here for resistance, R theta equal to R theta naught 1 plus alpha theta minus theta naught. In some books it is given RT equals to R naught plus this one. So I am taking here R theta naught. This is only a assumption, so you can take any formulas here. So R theta equals to R theta naught 1 plus alpha theta plus minus theta naught. So R theta here, R theta is resistance at theta temperature. Okay, so resistance at theta temperature. Okay, what is that means? It means that I am giving you that at the 10 degree centigrade the resistance is 20 ohm, or we can say at the 10 degree centigrade resistance is 30 ohm. So you can, तो इस तरीके से लिखा होगा 10 degree resistance is 30 ohm. इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन दिया होगा तो आप लिख सकते हैं R थीटा इज डिग्री एंड दिस इज रेजिस्टेंस. तो डिग्री, इतनी डिग्री पे आपका कितना रेजिस्टेंस है? रेजिस्टेंस एज थीटा टेम्परेचर. ओके, नाउ हियर R थीटा नॉट इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस एट theta naught temperature. Theta naught basically we can also take reference temperature. It is also take reference temperature, or we can also say that lowest temperature in the numerical. Okay, अगर आपको numerical में इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे अभी, उसमें आपको इस तरीके से दिया है कि एक हमारा 0 डिग्री पर है, एक हमारा 1 डिग्री पर, एक 2 डिग्री पर, तो लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर आपका 0 डिग्री हो जाएगा, तो आप उसे थीटा नॉट ले सकते हैं. और अगर इस तरीके से दिया है एक आपका 5 डिग्री पर, 7 डिग्री पर और एक आपका 2 डिग्री पर, तो लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर आपका क्या हो गया? 2 डिग्री. तो उसको आप एज अ रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर ले सकते हैं अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर नहीं दिया है. ठीक है, तो यू कैन से द लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर इज ऑल्सो अ रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर ऑफ थीटा नॉट. ओके, हियर अल्फा इज टेम्परेचर कोफिशिएंट. ओके, टेम्परेचर कोफिशिएंट, और इसका जो हमारा यूनिट होता है वो होता है 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड माइनस इनवर्स अप माइनस केल्विन इनवर्स. ठीक है, आपका किसी भी आ सकता है, सेंटीग्रेड इनवर्स और माइनस इनवर्स. नाउ फॉर resistivity is rho. So rho theta equals to rho theta naught 1 plus alpha theta minus theta naught. Okay, here resistivity at theta temperature, resistivity at theta naught temperature, and this is a temperature coefficient. Both are, I can write it here, theta naught, theta, rho theta naught and alpha. Okay, both are same for the both the formulas. The assumptions are same. So this is rho is for resistivity and R for resistance. Okay, now there is a question which can be cleared your doubt. So this is a question that a platinum wire resistance has ice temperature, resistance at ice temperature is 5.0 ohm, vapor temperature at 5.23 ohm, and heat bath is 5.795. So you have to calculate the temperature of heat bath. ठीक है, तो आपको टेम्परेचर आइस वेपर दिया है, तो आइस टेम्परेचर R नॉट ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो सबसे छोटा, जो सबसे कम टेम्परेचर होगा वो आपका आइस का होगा, तो आप उसे R नॉट ले सकते हैं. तो R नॉट इज 5 ओम. तो बिकॉज आइस टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री, सो R 0 आप लिख सकते हैं. अब वेपर कब होता है? R 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पे वेपर होगा, आपको दिया है 5.23 ओम. नाउ heat bath, you have to calculate the temperature of heat bath. You don't know, so you can say R theta, because you have to calculate R theta. So R theta is 5.795 ohm. Now for resistance r theta equals to r theta naught 1 plus alpha theta minus theta naught. Okay, here theta naught is reference temperature, that is 5 ohm. So you can take it theta naught equals to reference temperature. Okay, you can say reference temperature or minimum temperature. So theta naught is 0. थीटा नॉट इज 0 बिकॉज डिग्री इज 0 डिग्री आइस टेम्परेचर, तो 0 हो जाएगा. तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, आर थीटा इक्वल्स टू आर नॉट 1 प्लस एल्फा. थीटा नॉट इज 0, so you can write it theta only. Okay, now r theta equal to r naught plus r naught theta, आपने इसको अंदर रखा. अब r theta माइनस आर नॉट इक्वल टू आर नॉट एल्फा थीटा. ओके, ये आपका फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बन गया. अब आपका रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर है. आपका रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर ने पहले जो वर्क किया वो आपका किससे किया, आपका जो पहले जो वर्क किया वो 0 डिग्री से किया. 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आपका किस किस पे जाएगा, रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर है आपका 100 के साथ भी वर्क करेगा और आपका थीटा के साथ भी वर्क करेगा. तो आर थीटा के साथ वर्क कर गया. अब हमें कराना है आर 100 के साथ. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ पे आर थीटा की जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, आर 100 माइनस आर नॉट इक्वल टू आर नॉट एल्फा 100. ओके, बिकॉज 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2. अब क्या हुआ, आर थीटा की जगह आपने क्या लिख दिया, आर 100, क्योंकि आपके पास 2 है, रेफरेंस टेम्परेचर के साथ वर्क कर रहा है. आर थीटा की आपने इक्वेशंस निकाली. अब आपके पास आर 100 भी है, तो आपने आर 100 आर थीटा की जगह आर 100 आपने रख दिया. अब आपने क्या किया, इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 को डिवाइड किया. तो आपका क्या बना, इक्वेशन आर थीटा माइनस आर नॉट अपॉन आर 100 माइनस आर नॉट इक्वल टू आर नॉट एल्फा थीटा अपॉन आर नॉट एल्फा 100. आर नॉट एल्फा से आर नॉट एल्फा कट जाएगा, तो आपको यहां से क्या मिल सकता है, थीटा. देखो थीटा यहां बचा है, दैट इज 100 आर नॉट माइनस आर थीटा. प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज आर थीटा एंड आर नॉट, एंड आर 100 minus r naught. You have the value of r naught and r 100. So put the value of r naught and r 100 and r theta also you have. So you can get the value of theta. So please put the value of your own. So I can write it here. So theta equals to 100. R theta is 5.795 minus r naught. R naught is 5 ohm upon r 100. R 100 is 5.23 minus 5 ohm. If you solve this, you will get the answer theta, that is 345.65 degree. So this is your answer. I hope you all understand how we can do this question, or you can also take a trick that you have to minus from the highest to lowest. So highest is 5.75 minus lowest, and upon middle 2 3 minus lowest into 100. You can also do that. Okay, now another question can be there, another type of question can be there like this. Okay, you have one numerical also, that is resistance of tungsten bulb at 20 degree is 18 ohm. When resistance connected with 30 volt, then current is this 0.185 ampere. Alpha is given, that is power 4.5 into 10 to power 3 Kelvin inverse. Calculate temperature of filament of the tungsten. Okay, so what is given? R20, resistance of tungsten bulb at 20 degree. So R20 is given, that is 18 ohm. Okay, now R थीटा दिया है, R20 केल्विन ओम दिया है. अब देखिए आपको जो अल्फा की वैल्यू दी है वो आपको केल्विन में दी है. सो यू हैव टू चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ केल्विन. सो R थीटा नॉट इज 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो डिग्री को केल्विन में चेंज करेंगे तो 20 प्लस 273, दैट इज 293 केल्विन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ voltage connected 30 volt and current is there, so you can also calculate, you can also use the Ohm's law because current and voltage is there. So voltage is 30 volt and I is given, that is 0.185 ampere. So here resistance can be V upon I, okay, R theta, because R20 you have reference temperature, you have R theta, you don't know. So R theta, that can be 30 upon 0.185, okay, that is 162 ohm. So R theta you have given, you have got R theta, that is 162 ohm. So you can put in the equation, that is R theta equals to R naught 1 plus alpha theta minus theta naught. Okay, so R theta is, you have calculated, that is 162. So 162 equals to R20 theta naught भी लिख सकते हैं, R theta naught, that is 20 degree. So 20 degree resistance is 18. 1 plus alpha is given, that is 4.5 into 10 to power minus 3. Theta, you have to calculate theta minus theta naught, that is 293, because this is in Kelvin. Okay, now if you calculate all the values here, so you will get theta equals to 2.1 into 10 to power minus 3 Kelvin, because answer is in Kelvin. Please do the calculation of yourself, because I will not do the calculation here. This is a simple mathematical expression, so please do calculation yourself. Okay, so you will get this, and please comment me in a comment box, I will, if you don't get this type of value. Okay, so this is a resistance formula. Now we will talk about types of resistor wire. Basically, there are two types of resistor wire. First is wire bound resistor and second is carbon resistor. Wire bound resistor basically made by the MCN, that is magnet consistence and nichrome. Okay, which is molded in a thing and then make a wire bound resistance. Okay, generally we use wire bound resistance because its resistivity changes with temperature is very less. Okay, very less. I can write it, resistivity changes with temperature is very less. Okay, so we use wire bound resistance. And second one is carbon resistance. Carbon resistance basically a pure graphite and resin mixed with together. Pure graphite and resin are mixed with together and get with the HTP, that is high temperature and pressure is given, and then molded in a cylindrical and plastic ceramic shape. That ceramic shape, then we make the carbon resistance. This is only a theory part you can get through your physics chapter. Okay, so I am giving you just an example, or we can say the brief idea about the types of resistor, and its value is 1 ohm to 100 mega ohm. So very much value is using the carbon resistor. Wire bound resistance is very small value can be used in a wire bound resistance. So this is a type of resistor wire. Now another is carbon coding, color coding of resistance. So this is a color coding of resistance. Color coding of resistance can be done to use the value, to get the value of resistance. Okay, so अगर आपके पास क्या है, अगर you also have multimeter to check the value of resistance. If you don't have any multimeter, you can also get the value of resistor कि कितने ओम का resistance है, 1 ohm, 100 ohm, 1000 ohm. You can get the value of from the color code. Okay, this is for an ideal condition. If there is a practical condition, there is a small amount change can be changed in that resistor because of the losses in their resistance. Okay, so this is the carbon code of resistance. आपका जो resistance होता है वो आपका कुछ इस टाइप से होता है, इस टाइप से आपके resistance होते हैं. ठीक है, जिसके अंदर आपके इस तरीके से codes लगे होते हैं, color लगे होते हैं. First digit, it is called first digit, first color. Second color is called second digit. Third color is called multiple, and fourth color is called tolerance. Okay, this is a fourth color. Okay, now first color is also called first digit, second color is called second digit, third color is called multiple, and fourth color is called tolerance. So this is a table for the color coding of resistance. You don't have to remind this always. There is a shortcut for reminder, that is B.B. Roy of Great Britain. Great Britain has a very good wife. Okay, so this is a shortcut for reminding this table, that is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife, gold silver दे दो. Okay, B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife, gold silver दे दो. Okay, this is you can check the B.B. black, brown, Roy red, O ऑरेंज, Y येलो. इतना तो आपका चला गया, तभी इसको हमने सारा आप इसमें कैपिटल में लिखा है. नाउ ऑफ ग्रेट ग्रीन, ब्रिटेन ब्लू, वेरी वॉयलेट, गुड ग्रे, वाइफ वाइट. ओके, गोल्ड सिल्वर दे दो, गोल्ड सिल्वर. सो दिस इज अ वे हाउ यू कैन रिमाइंड दिस. तो B.B. रॉय ब्लैक ब्राउन रेड ऑरेंज येलो, देन ऑफ ग्रेट ग्रीन हो गया, B ब्लू हो गया, ब्रिटेन वेरी वॉयलेट हो गया, गुड ग्रे हो गया, वाइट का वाइफ का वाइट हो गया, गोल्ड सिल्वर दे दो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वे हाउ यू कैन रिमाइंड दिस. सो 0 0, this is your first digit. I can write it. This is your first digit, this is your second digit, this is your multiple, and this is your tolerance. Okay, so tolerance आपको कैसे याद रखना है? brown, red, orange, yellow. Okay, now gold, silver, and no color. Only this brown, red, orange, yellow. 1 2 3 4, then gold, silver, no color, 5 10 20. इतना तो आप याद रख सकते हैं आई थिंक. सो ब्राउन रेड ऑरेंज येलो. तो फर्स्ट डिजिट, सेकंड डिजिट, मल्टीपल एंड tolerance. So how you can write the value of this resistance? So let's suppose the question is given like this. Question can be given like this. The resistance is like this, and this color is given. Color is given, that is red, yellow, blue, okay, and this gold. This color is given. You have to calculate the value of resistance. So red is 2, second digit yellow is given 24, blue is multiple, so blue is multiple value is 10 to power 6, so you can write into 10 to power 6 plus minus gold is given tolerance. So gold given tolerance, that is 5%. So this is the value of resistance. Okay, or you can also do the, if you need the value of particular value, so what you have to do, 24 into 10 to power 6 into 4 upon 100. आप ये करेंगे क्योंकि इसका 5% आपको निकालना है, तो आप इसका पहले 5% निकालेंगे, फिर उसको प्लस माइनस करेंगे 5%. ठीक है, आप इसको करेंगे अपने आप से तो ये हो जाएगा. और एक और क्वेश्चन हम करके देखते हैं. लाइक आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया है, रेजिस्टेंस वायर में आपको कलर कोडिंग दी है ब्लैक, नहीं, ब्राउन, ब्लैक, रेड एंड सिल्वर. आपको ये कलर कोडिंग दी है, आपको इसका वैल्यू निकालना है. तो ब्राउन हो जाएगा, ब्राउन इज 1, ब्लैक इज 0 फ्रॉम द टेबल, ब्राउन इज 1, ब्लैक इज 0. नाउ रेड इज मल्टीपल, दैट इज into 10 to power 2 plus minus silver is 10%. Okay, that is given. So you have to calculate. So I will do the proper this 10 into 100 into 10%, to 100 upon this. So 100 cancel. So 10 into 10, that is 100. So this will be the value of tolerance value, that is 10 into 100, that is 1000 plus 100 and 1000 minus 100. So because this is plus minus 100, so this will be the value of 900, so 11. This is your tolerance. So you can do the value of like this. Okay, so I hope you understand this session, student. If you have any query regarding this, you can comment me in the comment box. I will explain all your queries. Please share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Please share this channel to your friends also. It will be very helpful for you for this and for another engineering also. If you go for the electrical engineering, this channel will be very helpful to you. So thank you, good day and take care.